Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. This drone with 1080p HD camera is a great choice for beginners, kids, and casual flyers looking for an easy and fun flying experience. Designed with user-friendly features, it captures crisp HD photos and real-time video with FPV, first-person view, capabilities, allowing users to see live footage from the drone directly on their smartphone. The drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it highly portable and easy to transport for outdoor adventures. It includes simple flight features like one-key takeoff/landing, allowing users to easily launch and land the drone with a single button press, ideal for beginners. Enhanced with optical flow positioning, the drone can maintain stable flight indoors or outdoors without needing GPS. Fun controls like voice and gesture control let you command the drone to fly or take photos using simple spoken commands or hand gestures, adding an interactive, playful experience. For extra excitement, the drone supports 360 degrees flips, waypoint flying, where users draw a path on the app and the drone follows it, and speed adjustments, offering more ways to explore and have fun. The durable build and straightforward design ensure it's resilient against minor bumps and easy for kids to handle. Its intelligent flight features, combined with compact portability and safety protections, make it a perfect entry-level quadcopter for first-time users. Overall, this foldable 1080p FPV drone is an excellent choice for anyone wanting a beginner-friendly, affordable drone with impressive features like HD video, gesture control, and portable design, perfect for family fun, learning the basics of flying, or capturing cool moments from the sky. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with 1080p camera is a compact, foldable drone designed for both kids and adults who want a fun, easy-to-use flying experience. It captures high-quality photos and videos with its 1080p HD camera and features a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing users to change the angle for better shots and aerial perspectives. The drone includes FPV, first-person view, capability, letting users stream live video to their smartphone in real time. With altitude hold, it maintains a stable hover, making it easier for beginners to control and shoot clear, steady footage. User-friendly features like one-key takeoff and landing make flying simple, while gravity control allows pilots to steer the drone by tilting their smartphone, adding an intuitive and interactive touch. Trajectory flight mode enables users to draw a flight path on their device, and the drone will automatically follow it, offering a hands-free flying experience. The Mini Drone is built to be lightweight, durable, and portable thanks to its foldable design. It comes with 2 batteries, doubling flight time and giving users more opportunity to practice, capture footage, or enjoy longer flying sessions without worrying about recharging frequently. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, the drone offers multiple speed settings to suit different skill levels. Safety features, like emergency stop and low battery alerts, make it ideal for beginners and young users, providing a safer learning environment. Overall, this mini foldable drone with 1080p camera is a fantastic choice for entry-level pilots looking for a budget-friendly, feature-packed drone. With stable flight, fun controls, dual batteries, and HD recording, it's great for casual flying, learning the basics, and capturing memorable moments from a fresh, exciting perspective. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The drone with 2K HD camera is a foldable mini drone perfect for beginners, kids, and casual users who want a high-quality, easy-to-fly device. Equipped with a 2K HD FPV camera, it captures sharp photos and videos, allowing users to enjoy real-time first-person views on their smartphones. The camera's wide-angle lens ensures you can record impressive aerial footage and selfies with ease. Powered by brushless motors, this drone offers smoother, quieter flights and greater durability compared to brushed motor models. Altitude hold technology helps maintain a stable height automatically, making it easier to control and capture steady shots, especially for novice flyers. User-friendly features include one-key takeoff/landing, gesture selfie for hands-free photo capturing, and 3D flip capabilities for performing fun aerial tricks. Waypoint Fly Mode allows you to draw a flight path on your smartphone screen, and the drone will autonomously follow the designated route, adding creativity to your flying experience. The compact, foldable design makes it highly portable, fitting easily into a backpack for outdoor adventures. It comes with 2 batteries, extending total flight time so you can enjoy longer sessions without frequent recharging. This drone's simple operation is enhanced by safety features like emergency stop and low battery alerts, offering peace of mind for beginners and younger users. Its durable build helps it withstand minor crashes and bumps, making it ideal for learning and practicing drone skills. Overall, the 2K HD FPV foldable drone with brushless motors offers a fantastic balance of high-quality imaging, smooth performance, and beginner-friendly features. It's a great choice for those looking to explore aerial photography, practice flying skills, or simply enjoy the fun of piloting a drone, all at an affordable price point. Number 4. Drone with Camera. The drone with 1080p camera is an ideal choice for beginners and kids who want an easy-to-fly, fun quadcopter that offers a range of exciting features. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone captures clear, high-quality photos and videos, perfect for outdoor adventures or capturing memories. The FPV, first-person view, feature allows users to see live footage directly on their smartphone screen while flying. Designed with user-friendly controls, the drone includes voice control and gesture selfie functions, letting you command the drone with simple voice commands or hand gestures, perfect for hands-free operation. The altitude hold feature ensures stable hovering, making it easier for beginners to maintain control and shoot steady footage. Additionally, one-key start makes takeoff and landing as simple as pressing a single button, while 3D flips allow for fun aerial tricks to impress friends and family. The foldable design makes the drone portable and easy to store, so it's convenient to carry along for outdoor activities. It comes with 2 batteries, allowing for extended flight time, so users can enjoy longer flying sessions without needing to recharge. Built with safety in mind, the drone features protective propeller guards, and its lightweight design ensures it can withstand minor bumps and crashes. The drone is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile option for kids and beginners who are learning to fly. Overall, the drone with 1080p camera offers a perfect balance of fun, ease of use, and safety, making it an excellent choice for kids and beginners who want to explore the world of drones, take photos, and perform aerial tricks with ease. Number 5. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with 1080p camera is a compact, feature-packed quadcopter perfect for both beginners and adults looking to explore the world of drones. Equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera, it provides real-time video streaming, allowing you to see the footage directly on your smartphone for an immersive flying experience. The 90 degrees adjustable lens adds versatility, enabling users to change the camera angle for optimal shots and perspectives. Designed with ease of use in mind, the drone features one-key takeoff/landing, which simplifies the takeoff and landing process, making it easy for beginners to control. The altitude hold function ensures stable flight, keeping the drone steady in the air for clearer photos and smoother flying. This drone is also capable of performing 360 degrees flips, adding a fun, acrobatic element to your flying experience. It's perfect for impressing friends, family, or simply adding some excitement to your flight sessions. The foldable design makes it ultra-portable, and it comes with a carrying case to easily take the drone on the go. For extended flight sessions, the drone comes with 2 batteries, allowing for double the airtime. This ensures users can enjoy longer periods of flying without frequent recharging. Whether flying indoors or outdoors, this drone is durable enough to withstand minor bumps and crashes, making it suitable for both learning and recreational flying. Overall, the Mini Drone with 1080p camera offers a great combination of performance, portability, and fun. With features like HD video, stable flight, simple controls, and extended battery life, it's a fantastic choice for beginners, casual flyers, or anyone looking to explore drone photography and aerial acrobatics.